perseverance, and dedication. These are not merely words, but the very pillars upon which our achievements are built. Before I formally begin, first and foremost, I would like to thank our God Almighty for guiding us throughout our junior high school journey. To our school's division superintendent representative, Dr. Felix C. Galasio Jr., to our acting public district supervisor, Sir Francisco Olo Franco, to our guest speaker, Sir E.R. H. Erabon, to our school in charge, Sir Rizal S. Marin, to our barangay officials, headed by Barangay Captain, Honorable Jusdana Avenido, to our PTA officials, headed by PTA President, Ma'am Lilibet Lo Franco, as well as to our dedicated teachers, parents and guardians, and fellow completers. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I will start with this speech by introducing first myself. I am Julian Marie Rosales, your current SSLG President from grade 10, Dendrobium. And it's such an honor to stand before you today to deliver these words of gratitude as the rank 1 student of our class of 59 remarkable individuals from grade 10. Looking back, sa katong grade 6 pa lang ang tao, but we're in different schools. We were in lockdown due to the pandemic. That's why we didn't get to experience our graduation ceremony. But now, I can explain kung sa ko kamalipayon that we're finally experiencing what we missed. It's amazing to be here, celebrating with our parents, our friends, and our teachers, and receiving medals and certificates. And we can now proudly say, Senior High na ta, tuhon. We gathered here today to celebrate a momentous occasion. The second moving up ceremony for the completion of junior high school for all of us grade 10 students here in Nueva Esperanza National High School with the team Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. Finishing junior high school is a huge accomplishment, a testament to our perseverance and growth. Daghang taog na katunan, not just from our classes, but from each other. We faced difficult times, celebrated our victories, and built strong friendships. We learned the importance of studying hard, helping each other, and working together as a team. Matong pagkain ni Glenn, kita daw ang Team Oy. Sa classroom, dili gud mawala ang sinunduganay, love teams, pinangaywa yung papel, lockers, sisisan, reklamo kadanahay project, plastikan, and of course, the daily sermons from our teachers. Remember the time na naginatagay na o performance task ang kada subject, individual and group projects. Kung galibong tapungon sa ang angin nato manahon, but we still chose na magkrami, aral na niliho kung kanong sa hapit na ang deadline, which is challenging kayo. Those late night working on projects and late night practices. We often went to school on weekends, imbis na pahulay. We faced countless challenges, tears, arguments, blame. Sweat and tears flowed freely. Dili na tahapit matulog kay lagi, dili taganahan upahulay at dili pa nato mga manang atong projects, and we want to achieve high marks. It felt like God was testing us with a sheer number of trials, leading to misunderstandings and conflicts. But despite it all, we overcame those challenges. Tanang efforts and hard works nato, nagbunga tanan. And we are proud of everything we accomplished. Those experiences taught us many things. The importance of perseverance, teamwork, and understanding. Those are memories we will always cherish and will shape who we are. My junior high years were marked by my participation in academic competitions like quiz bees and oratorical contests. Representing my school against strong opponents was challenging. Pero tungkol sa kaluoy sa Ginoo, consistently placed. Open, third. This journey wouldn't have been possible without my incredible coach, Ma'am Lani Jane Peligro. Her unwavering support and guidance, gikan sa akong kinaunang pag-apil to my first victory, have been invaluable. Even sa katong times na napildi ko, and I know she was disappointed, but her encouragement pushed me forward. I'm also deeply grateful to all the teachers who supported me, especially to our very hardworking school in charge, Sir Rizal Marie, for his constant support. Sir, your dedication inspires us all. My journey in Supreme Secondary Learner Government also holds a special place in my heart. From Vice President to President, a position I never planned to run for because reasons. First, Philip Aguandang. Second, I doubted myself. And third, I know na dili gyud sayo. I even considered myself immature for the role. However, the belief of others